Hey guys, so today we're going to be making a nice vintage Connects trolley car. So let's start. First things first, we're going to start off with the wheels. Well, one of them. There's two sets of, this is the first set of wheels. So first you're going to get this, place this here. And then you're going to place on a wheel and place another one on here, like that. So it's locked in place. And then what you're going to do next is get 1, 2, and then one of these, like so, and then place down another wheel. There we go. Then you're going to place down this. There we go, to lock in that one too. And just push it more centered. So now, as you can see, they're locked. So the only way is if you spin it like that. Kind of like a rolling pin. Next, what we're going to do is get this. What you're going to do, you're going to get these 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You're going to make 6 of them. Then after, you're going to get this. There we go, so I'm just gonna do it like that. However, the last one, you need to turn it around like so. The most inwards one is going to be like this. And then just push them back like so. Just kind of like that. And then next, you're going to get another one. Place it on like so, and then like so, and spread it out, and spread these out like so, because then next you're going to basically do the same thing, except the middle bit is now done, so the rest, these two are going to be the same. So this is going to be basically the top of the vintage trolley car, or nowadays we just call it tram. There we go. Next, you're going to get 2 of these, doesn't matter which side, but after you place these on, then it matters. So this is basically not really an antenna, it's basically where it connects to the electricity lines so it can move, because unlike train rails, tram rails or vintage trolley rails are just basically a little groove in the ground made out of metal. There's nothing special about it. So it's basically just like that, and then basically do it like this, and you see these ones, all of these you're going to place, wait no, not these ones, just these back ones. Like this, and the front ones, to just basically make it stand. There we go. Simple, just like so. And next, what you're going to do, you're going to put that aside. You're going to get one. Simple, just this, make 2 of them, like so. And then next, so this is the way they actually have to be. What you're going to do is you're going to get this here, on both sides, placed on one of these. And push them all the way to the end, like that. Then next, what you're going to do is get these, place them here for the wheels, and then just keep them in position here. Same thing with these ones. And next, what you're going to do, simple, just do the same, wait no, just do the same thing as we did on that side, except no green ones because we've already put them on that side. Okay, there we go. So now we get it back, attach them on, but we also need to put in the wheels at the same time. There we go, and now get them together, push them all the way to the end like so, and then obviously all you have to do, but before that just take a look how it is, and I'll place these on here. So these yellow ones go on these. And it's a little bent like this because they normally look like that, and this is the vintage trolley cart. Here it is, really simple and easy to build. So let's just take a quick 360, but this is the front. This is the top. So if you guys want me to build other things like this, make sure to like and subscribe. So I hope you guys like it. Subscribe to see my videos. Bye guys.